In this video, we will take a look at the AI analysis area in the new AI and Triage experience. The AI analysis feature of PIA Triage is responsible for classifying your tickets using PIA's machine learning model. PIA's machine learning will classify tickets using a standard set of categories which PIA has developed. To allow you to further enhance and influence the classification of tickets by PIA, the AI Analysis tab in the PIA portal allows you to create custom AI analysis rules using keywords to match and classify tickets. This allows you to influence PIA's AI classification process to make it more accurate to your needs or cover additional categories of the tickets which PIA's machine learning does not cover. Let's take a look at a few rules we have created. In instances where a broad ticket request like a new user needs to be separated from specific software, in this case Salesforce new user request, you can add your own custom classification and AI rule to train PIA's AI to further categorize your tickets. This AI rule scans all incoming tickets that contain the word Salesforce in the subject and body and classifies it as seen here. If you have tickets related to this rule, you can use the test rule function. Creating AI rules like this will override PIA's machine learning calculation of the category and hard sets it to a 100% confidence rating in the category you've created. So what if you have a scenario where PIA is misclassifying a ticket? In this example, PIA classifies a not ticket as a standard service request ticket. I have a couple options I can do to prevent or enhance this. First option is we can set to ignore when certain conditions are met. The second option would be to process the tickets with our own custom classifications. This gives you the flexibility to classify tickets that PIA's machine learning does not currently cover. Our advanced mode configuration setting allows multiple conditions for a particular rule. This is relevant for more complex conditions. Click Save and you have easily created a new AI analysis rule. You can adjust rules by using the arrows or drag and drop feature. Watch for our series of videos related to the new AI and Triage experience. See you next time.